Alright, here are other important functions, but difficult to realize their importance when we are using fewer data. Index and match. Index returns the value of a cell in a specified row and column of a range, while match searches for a specified value in a range and returns the relative position of that item. All right. Let's say we have our initial data here. Index. Let's see. Equal index array. Okay, can specify array. Let's say name array. Okay. Column number. Let's say we want column number maybe 6 and no row number, and the column number, let's say just we have 1. Okay, now enter. So fillet C is located on row number 5 because we have started from here, from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and on column number 1 because we have started from here. So let's say let's change it. The array, instead of using array, we use range, the whole range here, and let's not include the titles. And let's say we have 2. Okay, the number of column 2, so it will be gender. So I want to see the gender of someone who is on row number 6 and the column number 2, but from our selected range of data. Okay, enter. So is a male. 6 and 2 is a male here. Okay, now let's see how to compute match. Enter match. Okay, now it says lookup value. So let's say we want to see the position of capillo here. All right, now comma lookup array. So for match, we don't use the whole range, we just select an array here. Okay, then exact match, select 0. Then you can see fillet capillo is positioned on position 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Okay. And let's use them all, index and match. We can start with index. We select array. In this case, we are going to use only array. If we use the whole range, will not work because match requires only array. And yeah, okay, now row number, so let's say is 6. Then column number, no, so for both we just select array. Okay, index array here, and then next formula match and lookup value. We want this one, and lookup array, the same array, then exact, close, then you can get him. All right, index and match can results into the index results. So this is how we use index and match function in Excel.